Hi guys, this is my second video, and yes, I used seen my video in the first one. So let's just get started. Here is my plate with different kind of breads. You can see this? I had textured it in the middle, or in the front, and I have like put designs on it. And I made this braid bread and this one. I hate when that happens. Yeah, that one's there. So let's get the next one. So this was the first s'more that I made. Didn't really come out as I really wanted to. I didn't really texture it. Not really nice. So let's look at the second one that I made. This is my second s'more. I love this one because I made it look all gooey, smashy, and liquidy. And I actually textured it this time. It's really pretty. So yeah, I like that one. This is my first Oreo. It's like Oreo slash, I don't know what they call it. I'll think of it later. Yeah. So this is my little bite sneakers. They're really small, and I like how I textured it in the middle. Bites. Really glossy, as you can see it by the it's shining. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah. Oh, here, this is what I remember now. These are called macaroons. Can't really see right now because it's really dark. So, yeah. Let's go to the next one. I love this one. This is my first one that I made. It's a reindeer. And please subscribe down below how I made it. Like, I'll make a tutorial on it if you guys want me to. And I'll be making more. I know I will. I'll make better ones. Way better ones. I'll try to do my best. And yeah, just please. And this actually stands up. And please subscribe down low. And then just post if I should do any. I should do any of these tutorials on it. And yeah. Bye, thank you, and subscribe.